Hello and welcome to my little oasis in Mount Washington. My name is Tamarra Younis. I'm the founder of Union of Art, an interior design firm based here in Los Angeles. This is my 1940s house I bought about 6 years ago, and I have slowly restored her back to life. Now let me show you inside my house. As we step through, this is my living, kitchen, dining area. I really wanted to make it an open space, bring in the light and make it super airy. I actually got this piece of art from a local artist called Courtney Arwen and then created this little world around it. I am half English and I'm half Iraqi, and in the Middle East it's very traditional to also sit on the floor, and I really wanted to bring that element into my living space. And a lot of people have nicknamed my house my jewelry box, and these are most definitely one of those pieces. I like to call these my earrings, and I kept my kitchen very, very simple, but I really wanted to just highlight the lighting. And then moving along here, these are vintage chairs, and I had this custom dining table made just to really embrace Marrakesh in the 70s. This is a little taste of it. In my seating area, I really wanted to make it cozy and light and airy with creams and blushes. And you'll notice actually throughout the house, I've kept the same color palette because I do think it's important that one room flows to the next. I used to be in fashion for many years, and I used to have to go to Japan. And on one of my treasure hunts, I found this beauty, and she's just a wonderful reminder of all my good times in fashion. So this is my bedroom, and these are actually old Syrian wardrobe doors. And then I created the bed around it. Either side you can see these really large lanterns that I wanted to hang tall to give the illusion of height. I did put this very large mirror so that it can make the space look bigger and reflect the light, but there's so much more to show you outside. So this is my outdoor deck, my staycation, my little place to have a glass of wine, enjoy the view. I wanted this to be a little more of a modern Marrakesh version. These are actually IKEA daybeds that I just covered in Tamarra fabric and put some fabulous pillows on them. And this little piece over here is a hand-painted table from Morocco. But this isn't where it ends. There's so much more to show you downstairs. So this is my garden. I wanted a little space for everybody, from the fire pit to the little nook to a little romantic moment underneath the curtains. But lastly, welcome to my 1968 vintage Airstream trailer. She's actually called the Empress, and I have nicknamed her JoJo after my mum. I did think it was important for my out-of-town guests to have a really comfy queen-size bed. The kitchen is all original, little seating area that does convert into 2 beds, and there is a full bathroom beyond there. So that ends the tour of my house and JoJo. Thank you so much for coming.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.